Let's make English easier by learning phrasal verbs you'll use every day.
Wake up,
Stop sleeping.
look for,
Search for someone or something.
find out,
Discover something.
give up,
Stop trying.
turn on,
Start a device.
turn off,
Stop a device.
pick up,
Take or collect.
get along with,
Have a good relationship.
look after,
Take care of someone or something.
take off,
Remove or leave the ground.
set up,
Organize or create.
try on,
Test clothes.
put off,
Delay.
carry on.
Continue.
Thank you for watching.